Wow 787, where we bring you the latest updates on innovative vehicles, future technology, and everything you need to know about the automotive world. If you're into cutting-edge cargo solutions, electric mobility, and efficient transport, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's jump into today's topic. Honda has been a pioneer in designing practical, efficient, and durable vehicles, and with the Honda G150 Cargo 2025, they're taking things to the next level. This futuristic cargo vehicle is designed for urban logistics, last-mile delivery, and businesses that need a compact yet powerful transportation solution. But what makes this vehicle stand out? Is it the perfect option for businesses and delivery services? And how does it compare to other cargo vehicles on the market? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into everything you need to know, from its engine performance and design to its smart features and sustainability aspects. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the all-new Honda G150 Cargo 2025. Let's start with what powers this beast. The Honda G150 Cargo 2025 comes with an advanced electric powertrain designed to balance efficiency, power, and sustainability. Equipped with a next-generation lithium-ion battery, it offers an impressive range of up to 250 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for urban deliveries and short-haul logistics. The instant torque from the electric motor allows for quick acceleration, which is crucial in city traffic. Whether you're carrying lightweight packages or fully loaded cargo, the G150 Cargo ensures smooth and efficient performance. Plus, its fast charging capability allows the battery to reach 80% charge in just 30 minutes, reducing downtime and keeping businesses on the move. But what about handling? The G150 Cargo features a compact yet sturdy chassis, making it incredibly easy to navigate through tight city streets, parking lots, and delivery zones. With an optimized turning radius, drivers can make sharp turns and park in narrow spaces without hassle. This is a game changer for delivery services operating in dense urban environments. One of the most talked about features of the Honda G150 Cargo 2025 is its innovative modular design. Unlike traditional cargo vans, this vehicle is built with adaptability in mind. The rear cargo space can be customized depending on the business needs, whether it's for parcel delivery, food transportation, or even mobile vending setups. The lightweight yet durable body is designed to maximize cargo capacity while keeping the vehicle energy efficient. It features reinforced side panels for added durability, adjustable shelving systems, and easy access sliding doors for quick loading and unloading. Whether you're a local business owner or a major logistics company, the G150 Cargo provides a versatile and cost-effective solution. Now let's talk about the interior and technology. Just because this is a cargo vehicle doesn't mean it lacks comfort and innovation. The driver's cabin is designed for maximum ergonomics, ensuring reduced fatigue during long shifts. The seats are made from high-quality, breathable materials, and the adjustable dashboard allows for a customized driving experience. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time updates on battery status, navigation, and vehicle diagnostics. The built-in infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing drivers to stay connected while on the go. A voice command system is also integrated, making it easy to control settings without distractions. The Honda G150 Cargo 2025 is also equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, to enhance safety and efficiency. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision detection, and automatic emergency braking ensure that drivers can operate the vehicle with confidence. 360-degree cameras and parking sensors make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. In terms of connectivity, Honda has integrated smart fleet management technology into the G150 Cargo. Businesses can track vehicle location, performance metrics, and energy consumption in real time through a dedicated mobile app. This feature is particularly useful for fleet operators who want to optimize delivery routes and operational costs. Honda has also prioritized sustainability in the design of the G150 Cargo 2025. The vehicle's fully electric powertrain eliminates carbon emissions, making it an eco-friendly option for businesses looking to reduce their environmental impact. Regenerative braking technology helps to maximize energy efficiency by converting braking force into usable electricity. The roof of the G150 Cargo comes equipped with integrated solar panels, which provide additional energy to support onboard electronics and climate control systems. This helps in reducing dependency on charging stations and increases overall energy efficiency. Now, let's discuss one of the most critical aspects: cost and availability. The Honda G150 Cargo 2025 is expected to be competitively priced, making it an affordable choice for businesses looking to invest in electric mobility. While official pricing details haven't been released yet, industry experts estimate that it will range between $35,000 and $45,000, depending on the variant and customization options. Honda is expected to launch the G150 Cargo in select markets in early 2025, with global availability expanding throughout the year. Pre-orders are likely to open in late 2024, so keep an eye on Honda's official website and dealerships for the latest updates. Now, let's summarize why the Honda G150 Cargo 2025 is a game-changer in the cargo vehicle segment. Fully electric powertrain with up to 250 miles of range, fast charging technology, 80% charge in just 30 minutes, compact and maneuverable design for urban logistics, modular cargo space with customizable configurations, smart technology with digital dashboard and fleet management, advanced safety features with ADAS and 360D camera, sustainable design with solar panels and regenerative braking, competitive pricing for small businesses and fleet operators. Whether you're running a delivery service, food business, or e-commerce logistics, the Honda G150 Cargo 2025 offers the perfect balance of efficiency, technology, and sustainability. It's designed to meet the needs of the modern urban economy while contributing to a greener future. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the Honda G150 Cargo 2025. What do you think about this next-generation cargo vehicle? Would you consider using it for your business? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest vehicles and technology.